Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to move Bitcoin from Coinbase to River in 2025. If you're looking to take control of your Bitcoin and switch to a more self-custodial wallet like River, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, we're dealing with digital assets, so double-check everything to keep your funds secure. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and River. Start by logging into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, navigate to your Bitcoin wallet. You'll see your balance, select the amount you want to transfer. It's that simple, but don't rush. Crypto moves are final. Next, hop over to your River app or website. Generate a new Bitcoin receiving address. This is like your wallet's unique postcode. Copy it carefully. Pro tip: double-check the address to avoid any mishaps, as typos can lead to lost funds. Now, back in Coinbase, go to the Send or Withdraw section. Paste the River address you just copied, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to move, and review the network fees. In 2025, Bitcoin transactions might be faster with advancements like the Lightning Network, but fees can still vary, so choose wisely. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a final verification screen. This is your last chance to ensure everything looks good. Once you approve, the transaction will be broadcast to the Bitcoin network. Depending on network congestion, it could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour to confirm. Once it's done, check your River wallet to see your Bitcoin has arrived. Congrats! You've successfully moved your assets. This step not only enhances your privacy but also gives you full control over your keys. If you're new to this, always start with a small amount to test. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Bitcoin on.